make cleaning your windows a dirty chore, try this simple hack instead. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So today we are tackling windows, and you should wash your windows exteriors at least once a year in the warmer seasons or as needed.
Windows are the eyes of a house where grime and dirt can build up over time. It's important to clean your windows both inside and out regularly to not only enjoy a clear view, but to allow more natural light to shine through the property. Here's what you'll need to get started on this window washing hack. Windex outdoor glass and patio furniture, a garden hose, a sponge, squeegee, Windex glass cleaner, and paper towels or microfiber cloth. Start by attaching the outdoor glass cleaner to the garden hose. Turn the hose on and then use the valve on the bottle to spray on the cleaning mixture. Spray vigorously and let the sudsy mix sit for a few minutes on the window. Remove the screens and scrub off any stubborn stains on the glass or sills with a sponge before spraying down with water. If desired, use a squeegee in a vertical direction to remove excess water and avoid those hard water stains. Once the window's exterior is dry, we insect-proof the house. First, we use a clear ant gel bait around all first floor windowsills to act as a barrier against pests. Next, we stake outdoor ant bait into the ground around our house to lure ants away from our home's interior.
Speaking of interiors, wiping down interior window glass and sashes are on the weekly cleaning list using Windex and a paper towel in a vertical motion.
This is a regular task in our house because of our beloved pets.
This helps rid the glass of animal prints and hair, which is a pet peeve of mine. For more home cleaning hacks, make sure you go check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe below and check out our website at www.ToriToth.com for all our home tips. Until next time, happy cleaning.